Allahabad University is a government institution established in 1887. The institution has received an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars from students on shiksha.com. Let's dive into the institute's Bachelor's in Vocational program, which has been given a rating of 3 out of 5 stars by students, starting with its placements rated 2.3 stars. AU's 2023 placements saw offers across television, radio, print media and web media. Recruiters included the Times of India, Red FM, Z News, Network 18 and Dainik Bhaskar among others. For the UG 3-year programs including B.Voc, 1,502 out of 5,708 graduating students were placed in 2022-23. The highest package stood at 10 lakh per annum. Looking at the year-on-year trend, the median package for the year 2023 stood at 5 lakh per annum, reflecting a 4% increase compared to the previous year. Though AU is making progress, there is considerable room for improvement in its placement outcomes to match competitors. The median package of 5 lakh per annum is on par with Aligarh Muslim University, but it still lags behind Banaras Hindu University and Lucknow University, indicating that there is more ground to cover. The university also offers internship opportunities, with many students securing placements in reputable companies. Regarding academic offerings, AU has 6 B.Voc Specialisations, including food processing and technology, media studies, media production, software development, lifestyle design and fashion technology. The eligibility requires 10+2 and admission is based on CUET entrance exam. A quick look at the 2023 CUET cutoffs revealed competition has eased out for media production, while the opposite is true for software development and food processing technology. Regarding cost, the total fees for the 3-year program ranges from 80,000 to 3.3 lakh. Scholarships are awarded based on merit and attendance. The institution has a 3.1 star value for money rating on Shiksha. Moving on to the 3.4 rated infrastructure. The Wi-Fi enabled campus features spacious air-conditioned classrooms and 3 well-maintained labs for video editing. The central library supports research, evolving with modern facilities and expanded spaces. The campus includes 8 boys' hostels, 5 girls' hostels and various amenities including sports facilities, a library and medical services. The medical facilities are available for all students on the campus. Transitioning to faculty and course with a 3.4 star rating. The faculty is supportive and qualified, although teaching quality can vary, with some professors focusing more on syllabus completion than student engagement. The University of Allahabad has ties with various institutions including CSIR Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, the Indian Institute of Public Administration and IIT Hyderabad among others. With the 3.1 star rating for campus life, let's delve deeper. The campus hosts seminars, workshops, cultural performances and art exhibitions, food festivals, musical evenings, poetry events and open mic sessions. Lastly, AU is not ranked on NIRF as per 2024. For more details on Allahabad University and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.